Hey guys, again, this is Nora again. I'm coming with you today with a video uh, based on the Goodwill Bins challenge that I did in a previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link to it down in the descriptions. But this was a challenge that I created for myself, basically. But if any of you want to participate in it, you can, and I think I'll make a hashtag of say G Goodwill Bins challenge, I guess. I'll just make a hashtag of Goodwill Bins challenge. If anybody else wants to participate, they can make a video and put it up on YouTube here. But basically, what you do is I just went to the bins, got a bunch of stuff, and I wanted to see how fast it would take me to get back the money, the cost of the goods that I did, and then to see how far it goes as far as profits go. So I would just wanted to do an update. This is March 1st. So I'm going to show you the original receipt. I started I started this on February 11th, and I probably could have gotten this the money back off of these a little sooner if I had gone ahead and listed them right away. But I did have like a week or so in between listing. I took part of it and listed it, and then I took another part and listed it, and so on and so forth. But it's totally all listed now. If you go back into the original video, and you can see everything that I got. But I wanted to show you the update on it now. As of today, which is March the 1st, I did make back the original cost of goods, which was $68.12 up there in the corner. The first thing that I did is I went to Plato's Closet, and sold seven items for $14.30, and that should be in a video previous to this one as well. Then the rest of it I listed, mainly the shoes and the non-clothing items I listed first, so those naturally are the things that I sold first. But I'll show you what I sold. These are New Balance shoes that I had in the original video. I'll show you a screenshot of each product. So I sold those for $28.50, and that is the gross amount plus the shipping that I charged on them. And then I'm going to take away the eBay fees, the Poshmark fees, because I did cross post on both eBay and Poshmark for some of these items. And the PayPal fees, the shipping fees, and the cost of goods. And then I'll show you what the net is. So on the New Balance shoes, I sold them for $28.50. The eBay fees were $1.83 for the final value fee. And then, of course, they charge you the fee on the shipping as well, which was 78 cents. And the PayPal fee was $1.18. Shipping was $5.70. Cost of goods $3.50. And that leaves a net profit of $17.34. Okay, the next one is the lacrosse pads. They're like shoulder pads that I got. I'll show a picture of that. I sold those for $27.99. eBay fees were $1.65. The final value fee. The final value fee on the shipping was 91 cents. PayPal fee $1.14. Shipping $7.41. Cost of goods $3.50. And net profit was $16.68. Next thing I sold was the Vera Bradley purse. Sold that for $20. That includes the shipping. eBay fee was $1.37. I think that's a 7. I can't even read my writing, but I think it's a 7. The shipping fee was 46 cents. PayPal fee was 88 cents. Shipping was $4. Cost of goods on that was $1.26. And the net on that was $12.03. Now, these 3 items came pretty close to getting to the $68.12. It came to $60.35. So it was pretty close. But the next item that I sold really took me over the top. And these are the Jerry Garcia Birkenstocks. Those just sold for $75 on Poshmark. I couldn't believe I actually got full price. Nobody even bargained with me on Poshmark for them. So the Poshmark fees were $15, and that includes the shipping. So selling on Poshmark is a lot easier because they just take everything out right there and then. Then the cost of goods was $3.50. And that gave me a net on those shoes of $56.50. So my total net profit on those 4 items is $116.85. And then if I subtract the original cost of goods, which was $68.12, then my net is $48.73 profit. So that's, the net on that. So that is totally awesome. And it took me from the 11th until the 1st to do that. But that's basically my fault because I didn't list everything right as soon as I got home. So, but I just want to give you guys an update on it. And periodically I'll be doing these little update videos for you guys. And I'll probably put a line through this part here and show where I actually got my money back. And then from that point on, it'll be profits. So from now on this particular bins haul, it is all profits now. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching. And if you do, like I said, if you want to participate in the challenge, just put the hashtag Goodwill Bins Challenge. Okay, thanks.